Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with you the Safer Grip gloves from OPNBar. I really love how much grip they provide even when they're wet, so you don't have to worry about any slipping. The core surface can suck up oil and liquid and maintain grip and tactility. Recently, my top uses for these have been when I've been gardening, moving around materials in the backyard. They're touchscreen compatible, which is awesome because nowadays we always need to be on and off our phones. They offer weather protection and protection against many different environments, and the Safer Grip gloves are Ocotex Standard 100. And what that means is that's one of the world's best known labels for textiles tested for harmful substances. It's made of 15 gauge nylon polyester engineered yarn, which means it's great for flexibility, comfort, and form fitting. Like, can I just say though, they are really comfy and better than other work gloves I've used in the past. And they have a knit wrist, which helps prevent dirt and debris from entering inside the gloves, which can be annoying with some gloves. So the medium ones definitely fit me best, but I love the snug fit that they offer. It allows for a better grip, and my hands have better sensitivity to what I'm doing. And a few more features about these that I love. They have a touch microfoam nitrile coating that is long lasting. This improves tactility and dexterity, and this coating resists cuts, abrasions, and tears. It has a reinforced thumb crotch, which helps provide extra firm grip, and abrasion resistance of 40,000 cycles. Anyways, again, these are the Safer Grip gloves from OPNBar. Thanks for watching and have